Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your DJI Osmo 360. In order to factory reset your Osmo 360, go into the control center by swiping from the top down, then enter settings. Here, scroll down until you see Factory Reset. Tap on it and then confirm. This will reset your DJI Osmo 360 to factory settings. And afterwards you will be doing standard setup, choosing your language. If you have an SD card inserted, you can switch storage to it. Though if your SD card is slow, it's going to give you this warning. And it's going to just give you the rundown that it did the first time you opened it. Just the standard setup mode. Now, if this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.